Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Ledger Live on mobile. A comprehensive guide to help you manage your cryptocurrency portfolio securely and efficiently. First, download and install the Ledger Live application from the App Store or Google Play Store, depending on your mobile device. Once installed, launch the application and create an account by following the on-screen instructions, which will include providing a valid email address and creating a strong password. After creating your account, you will be prompted to set up a password and enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. It is essential to use a strong and unique password and keep it safe. Next, connect your Ledger hardware wallet to the Ledger Live application. If you have a Ledger device, plug it into your computer and follow the on-screen instructions to pair it with the mobile application. If you do not have a Ledger device, you can still use the application to manage your cryptocurrency portfolio, but it is highly recommended to use a Ledger device for maximum security. Once your Ledger device is connected, you can view your account balance and transaction history. You can also send and receive cryptocurrencies and manage your portfolio by adding or removing accounts. To send a transaction, select the account you want to send from, enter the recipient's address, and specify the amount you want to send. To receive a transaction, go to the Receive tab and select the account you want to receive to, and share the generated QR code or address with the sender. Always double-check the recipient's address before sending a transaction to avoid any errors. Regularly updating your Ledger Live application and Ledger device firmware is crucial to ensure you have the latest security patches and features. You can check for updates in the Settings section of the application. In conclusion, using Ledger Live on mobile is a straightforward process that requires some initial setup. But once you are familiar with the application, you can easily manage your cryptocurrency portfolio on the go. Remember to always use a strong password, enable two-factor authentication, and keep your Ledger device and application up to date to ensure maximum security.